Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and if you're like me, you've got several different kinds of embossing folders from Stampin' Up!, and you may be curious as to what sandwich you should be using. So let's take a look. We've got regular embossing folders. We've got the 3D embossing folders, and then there are the recently retired dynamic embossing folders. So you may be wondering what the difference is. Now, the regular embossing folder is the slimmest, not width-wise, but here in terms of thickness of the two pieces that your paper goes into. For that sandwich, you're going to use the number 1 plate, a number 3 plate, then your embossing folder with your cardstock in it, and a second number 3 plate. So then we move over to the new 3D embossing folders that are in the current Stampin' Up! Catalog, and what sandwich should you use for those? So again, we're going to use the number 1 plate, and then you're going to use your 3D embossing folder with the cardstock inside and the number 4 specialty plate. Now, this number 4 specialty plate comes with the new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, or you can purchase it separately to use in your other die cutting machine. Now, what's the difference between the 3D folder and the retired dynamic embossing folder? Well, one, this dynamic embossing folder, the two pieces of plastic that make it up are thicker. The way to tell the difference is one will say Sizzix, and the 3D embossing folder just says Stampin' Up! With no Sizzix on it. So for that sandwich, you're going to use the number 1. You're going to use your dynamic embossing folder with the cardstock inside, and then just one of the number 3 plates, and this will move through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine or other die cutting machine that uses these same size plates. I hope this helps. This was one simple trick with Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you would like to be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.